The next exercise says we should evaluate the following: 6.8 bracket 6.875 times 10 raised to the power of 10 squared. So what you are going to do is you are going to square this. This simply means this multiplying itself twice. That is 6.875 times 10 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by 6.875 times 10 raised to the power of 10. So that this is equal to 6.875 times 6.875 times 10 raised to the power of 10 times 10 raised to the power of 10. And when you simplify this, this is going to be equal to 6.875 times 6.875, which gives us 47.266 approximately, times 10 raised to the power of 10 plus 10 is said to be 20. And if you express this in standard form, this is equal to 4.7266 times 10 raised to the power of 21, because I have moved the decimal point one step to my left. This is your answer.